Hi, this is Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. Subscribe, hit the notification, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. We're here with Paul at the Fairing Xchange. This is Paul. Let us know a little bit about the company.
We are based out of Jacksonville, Florida. We travel the rally circuit around the country to all the major rallies. This happened to be an event we came across, so we're here this weekend looking for some good weather and some good people being here. Our main business is we exchange the inner fairings on the touring bikes from the factory one to an OEM part painted with Harley paint to match the bike. Obviously, your bike being black, not an issue, but any other color, of course, they don't come that way unless it's a CVO. So we make all those bikes look that way. When we got into this 15 years ago, people are going, oh, well, you're doing my fairing. Can you do my handlebars? Can you do my speakers? Can you do all these other things? So now, much like you've seen, we do custom dynamics lighting. We do wild boar audio from Hog Tunes. We do KST handlebars. We do Dakota digital gauges. We do Clockworks fenders. We do Clockworks windshields. So we're doing some of the major companies out there providing a good product at a fair price.
I've seen your at Daytona. I've seen you at Daytona.
Yep.
Quite a few years that we've been going. I noticed that you've been very busy. I see that a lot when you're at Daytona. You got a line of bikes over there. But he mentioned a few items that he does. So I'm going to show you on a bike here that he's featuring. These are the KSTs that he's talking about. This is one set. They're the spearheads. There are 3 adjustments. You have the adjustments on the side here for in and out, so you can make it wider or narrower. And you'll have your pinch bolt adjustment to bring it up or down. Now, he's also a distributor for Custom Dynamics. Custom Dynamics just came out with a new light, and the light is the Tour Pack light. This is a brake and directional light and a running light. Also the blades, they call them facets. And the tri-bar. And I'll show you how they work on the directional and on the brake. Also, he also mentioned wild boar. Well, there's no coincidence. This bike has a wild boar system. It's got 2 amps. They're both mounted in the front. It's a 400R. Their newest one for the rear speakers, and a 400 for the front speakers. These are the speakers and the lids. As you can see, they're Hog Tune lids, and they have a crossover system underneath the strap, if you could see that. Nice heavy magnet, great product. Sound is awesome. If I can get anything on here. Sound system is kicking, needless to say. And this is what Paul does. If you see him at Daytona, stop in. If you need a windshield, bars, insert for the Tour Pack, for the fairing, and the lights. Okay, so here we are again, Crazy Rides Inc. Subscribe, the Fairing Xchange. We're at Treasure Coast Harley. They're having a big event here, and we're going to see you at Daytona, aren't we?
Absolutely.
Okay. In
We'll be there.
several weeks, we'll be there, and we'll be seeing him again. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe and hit the notification and leave a comment. Thank you.